Salamat sa lahat ng pag-iintindi, pagpapasensya at pagmamahal. Natutuhan kong mangarap ng dahil sa'yo. Natutuhan kong unti-unting buuin ang mga pangarap na yun, lalo na ang pangarap na makasama ka.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I won't run, I won't fly, I will never make it by without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight, all I need is you and I.
Mark Joseph,
without you.
did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Maraming sagot sa aking isipan. Hindi man ako sigurado sa mga iyon. Ngunit alam ko at sigurado ako sa iisang bagay. God has His plans for us. The best and bigger plan than what we expect. Han, thank you for everything.
I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you, without you. I won't soar, I won't climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you, without you. I can't look, I'm so blind. I lost my heart, I lost my mind without you.
Kapit lang at lahat ng iyon, sabay nating haharapin. Mahal na mahal kita.
I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you.